I'm David Fass. I'm the Chief Executive Officer for Macquarie for Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. And I'm here at IPEM today to talk with the other participants about opportunities in the world of infrastructure investing. Personally, it's my first participation. Macquarie has been supporting the conference for the last few years. We find that IPEM has really grown into an organization that attracts some really thoughtful, forward-thinking investors, advisors, lawyers, people that really are sort of the backbone, or let's call it the infrastructure of the infrastructure world. So we're finding it a very valuable place to come and meet with and interact people that help to make our business very successful. The perspective view that we have sort of going forward for the coming year, and frankly for the coming years, because we focus so much on infrastructure, we really do have a very long-term view. There are lots of political risks in the world. There are lots of talks about whether or not a recession is coming or not. We tend to have a view that goes on for 10 or 20 or 30 years, and some of the infrastructure projects that we're developing actually, whether they're roads or airports, go on for 30 or 40 or 50 years or even longer. So what's really happening in the coming year is not that relevant to sort of how our business works. But our general sense is that the amount of capital that is out there in the world from big institutional investors that would like to increase their exposure to the infrastructure asset class, they've come to appreciate what the risk-adjusted returns are about. They've come to appreciate what type of an impact those investments can have on helping society with its urbanization or its mobilization or its education or healthcare, etc. So with the whole world of sustainability and smart and rational investing, infrastructure is really sort of at the middle of the perfect storm of what investors are looking for. So we're looking forward to manage an increasing amount of capital and are constantly on the lookout for very interesting opportunities.